Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down how a team of AI agents can work together to provide some incredibly smart and personalized service.
So let's start with a frustration I think we've all had, right? You're trying to get some help from a customer service bot, and you have to repeat yourself over and over because it forgets who you are from one sentence to the next. It's just maddening.
Okay, but now imagine a totally different world. One where an AI assistant remembers your entire history with a company. It knows you, it has context, and it acts like this hyper-efficient team that can instantly pass you to the right expert without you even noticing.
Now, this isn't science fiction. It's being built right now, and it really comes down to two big ideas. This is the secret sauce that makes the whole thing tick.
The first big idea is something called state management. And look, that's just a fancy way of saying the system has a memory. It remembers the state of your conversation. And that's absolutely crucial, because without a memory, you can't have a real conversation. And the second idea is a multi-agent architecture. So instead of one AI trying to be a jack of all trades, you have a whole team of specialists. Think about it. You wouldn't ask your plumber for financial advice, right? Same idea here. You get the right expert for the right problem every single time.
So what this really all boils down to is the massive difference between a stateless system that forgets you every time and a stateful one that actually remembers you. This isn't just a small upgrade, it's a fundamental shift that lets AI handle way more complex stuff for us.
All right, so let's make this real and see how this AI team actually gets organized. Honestly, the best way to picture it is like a really well-run human customer service department.
Okay, so let's walk through the flow. It's a pretty simple four-step process. First, your question comes in. Then, a main agent, think of it as a manager, figures out what you need and routes you. Step 3, the right specialist agent takes over. And then, and this is the most important part, the shared memory gets updated so the whole team learns from what just happened.
So in the demo system we're going to look at, here's the team roster. You've got the main agent, who's the manager. Then you've got 3 specialists, a sales agent for new purchases, a course support agent for existing customers, and a policy agent who knows all the company rules.
Now for the fun part. Let's see this AI team in action. We're going to follow a user named Amir Khan and watch his journey through the system step by step.
So Amir kicks things off with a pretty general question. He's just browsing, wants to know what's for sale.
Instantly, the main agent sees those keywords, courses, offer, and knows exactly what to do. It recognizes this is a sales question and boom, routes him to the sales agent. The handoff is totally seamless. So, after getting the info he needs, Amir decides he's ready to buy. He tells the sales agent exactly which course he wants. The sales agent processes the purchase. And right here, this is the most important moment in the entire interaction. This is what makes the system truly intelligent.
See, the agent doesn't just complete the sale and move on. No way. It writes a brand new fact into the system's shared memory, its shared brain. It makes a note. Amir Khan is now a customer, and he owns this specific course.
And you can see here exactly what that update looks like. Amir is officially logged as a customer who owns the AI marketing course. The key part is that this memory is shared. Every single agent on the team now knows this. The whole system just got smarter. So later, Amir comes back and asks his next question. And notice, it sounds a lot like his very first one. He's asking for information about the course he just bought. And this is where you see the magic. Before he bought the course, this question would have gone straight back to sales. But because the system knows he's a customer now, the main agent sends him to course support. It understood his context. It's not just a tool anymore, it's a helpful assistant. Okay, let's try one more. Now, Amir asks a totally different kind of question about company rules. It has nothing to do with sales or course material. And just like clockwork, the main agent correctly identifies what this is about. It sees refund policy and knows, yep, that's a job for the policy agent, the expert on all the rules. So let's just recap what we saw. We saw a perfect handoff between different agents. The main agent was the smart router. The sales agent was the one who updated that shared memory. And then the course support agent used that memory to give a perfectly personalized answer. That stateful memory, that was the key to the whole thing. This simple demo really shows the power of these stateful, multi-agent systems. It shows that the future of AI isn't just about single bots, but about smart, coordinated teams that can remember and work together. Which really leads to a final thought. If they can master customer service as a team, what's the next complex job they're going to master?